In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use HTACCESS, an entry in your HTACCESS, to remove or hide the PHP extension in URLs. And what I mean by that is if you own a website and your website, say, runs PHP pages, the pages are usually going to end with .php, which acts somewhat as a security risk, letting the world know the page types, but it's also not as professional looking as if it ends like this, without the .php at the end. Here's another example up here. See this website here, endbots.me / and then a page without the .php at the end. It's just a little bit neater and better way to go, and it's easy enough to pull off in HTACCESS. This is the code here, and to do this, what you would do is your web server needs to have an HTACCESS file. Most people use WordPress, so chances are you already have an HTACCESS file on your web server. What you want to do is download it, and the way to do that is use a program like Filezilla, navigate to your website, and look for a file that is .htaccess. It's literally going to be named .htaccess. In the left-hand pane of Filezilla, you navigate on your computer where you want to download the file to, like for example desktop. Totally up to you where you want to download that on your own computer. And then you double-click and download the HTACCESS file. If you don't have an HTACCESS file, all you have to do is click on your computer, right-click, scroll down in the pop-up menu where it says New Text Document, and you want to open it up and take this HTACCESS code here, copy it to your clipboard, paste it in Notepad. If you already have an HTACCESS file and you've downloaded it, you want to hit the Enter key somewhere in the HTACCESS file a few times to keep the code separate. Paste the code in there. If it's a new HTACCESS file, save as, and save it as. Make sure you deselect text documents, put all files. Literally, you want to save it as .htaccess. Nothing before the dot, just like that. And then you just upload that back to your web server. If you downloaded it from your web server, re-upload it to the exact same place, replacing the original HTACCESS file. If your web server does not have an HTACCESS file and you're uploading a new one, what you want to do is go to the root of your web server, which is going to be when you click on whatever your website is, right there, that very first page that opens up, and upload it there, as you can see here. And that's all there is to it. You then, once you have accomplished that, you should be able to go to any of the pages on your website, and when you navigate to them, you're not going to see the .php at the extension, and even if you type it in, it should remove it.